Hello. Hello, children. How are you all? Say hi. Say hello, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? Now let us see what teacher has for you today. Teacher is going to teach you a new rhyme today. Okay. But before that, let us see something. Are you ready? Now tell me, children. You can see here two rooms, a photo of two rooms. Correct? Now observe properly. Observe. See the rooms. Which rooms look better, children? Tell me which room is good? Looks neat and nice and tidy. Which room is arranged properly? All the things are in the right place. Which is the room? Yes, this is the room which is arranged nicely. All the things are kept in their proper place. And see this room? This room is so messy, isn't it? All the things are lying down. All are things upside down. Does that look good? No. Isn't it? So, what are you going to do? You're going to tell me now. Now see this? Same like the rooms. See this classroom, children? This is a messy class, isn't it? This is a messy class. All the things are thrown down. The chairs are upside down. Nothing is arranged in the place. And while, see this? This classroom looks so neat and clean. Correct? Which looks better? Tell me. Yes, this classroom looks better. Okay. Next. Oh, Mama here. When she sees all your things are lying down like this, what will Mama do? Mama will shout at you, isn't it? Correct? Now, is this right? You have to pick up your own things, isn't it? And put them in their own place. Everything Mama has arranged in the house. There is place for all the things in the house, isn't it? So, when your Mama sees your room is like this, your things are lying down like this, Mama will get a headache, isn't it? And she is going to shout at you. Correct? Not only that, children, you are going to fall over the things. Correct? Your things are lying down, and what will happen? You may tipple over the things. You may get hurt. The things may break. You may break your head or hand or something, isn't it? So, what Mama does? She shouts at you. Clean up the place. Correct? Mama tells you that now, right? You're in the house now full day. What you're going to do? You're going to pick up your own things. Correct? And put them in their proper place. So, Mama is going to shout, clean the things. Teacher is also going to shout in the class if you don't arrange your things properly. Okay. So, now here, can you see? Bits of paper lying here and there. You have done some craft work. And how it looks, what you're going to do? You're going to pick them up. You're going to put them in the dustbin. So, that is the poem, children. There is a place for each and everything in the house. Correct? So, all these bits of paper, where they will go? Where you are going to put them? You are going to put them in the dustbin. So, the poem is bits of paper. So, let's get started. Okay. Chalo, let's start. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, pick them up. That is a poem for you today. So, you are going to learn the poem. Okay. Now, learning is enough? Only learning the poem? No. what we are going to do? We are going to follow it also, isn't it? What does this poem teach us? That we should keep our surroundings clean, isn't it? This poem teaches us to maintain cleanliness, correct? So here, now you can see, early in the morning, we keep ourselves clean. We brush our teeth, we comb our hair, take a bath, wear clean clothes. So we keep ourselves clean first. Then we keep our house clean, correct? We help mama to clean the house. Mama cleans the house every day, correct? She keeps it so neat and clean. So first we keep ourselves clean, then we keep the house clean. Next we should keep our society clean, our school clean, and everywhere there is cleanliness and it will be a beautiful place, correct? So what you are going to do? You are very small, correct? But then at least you can pick up your toys, isn't it? After you have finished playing, pick up your toys and put them in the proper place. Mama has given you one basket to put all your toys inside, isn't it? So you are going to do that, okay? You can arrange your clothes in the cupboard, not throw here and there. You can do that? Yes. And after you have finished your homework, your lessons, you are going to pack your bag and keep the place where mama says, correct? You will pack the bag, put all your books inside, your pencil erasers inside, pack it nicely and keep where the place is. Okay, mama has given place for your bag, so you are going to put it back there. Okay, promise? So your toys, your clothes and your bag, you can do that, children, isn't it? Okay, so now here we are going to use the dustbin to put the waste inside the dustbin. Now you must have seen this sign everywhere, children. It is there in the garden, in the malls, in the theater, everywhere in the public place. You can see this. Use dustbin, correct? So whenever you're traveling, you're playing in the garden, you're eating something, biscuits, wrappers and all, what you will do? You will not throw here and there. You will put it in the dustbin. Okay? And did you know, children, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? You have heard about this? That is what our Prime Minister Narendra Modi says to do. Keep our country clean, because cleanliness is next to godliness. So now what we are going to promise ourselves? First, keep yourself clean, then your house clean, your society clean, your school clean, your roads clean, and together like this our full country will be neat and clean. Okay? So promise you will do that. We can start that, isn't it? From slowly we can start doing it. So help your mama to keep your own things in your place. And use dustbin whenever you're going out, you're eating something. Always use the dustbin. Don't throw things here and there. Okay, children? Now some activity time for you. So let's see what activity I have for you. Okay, children, now we have learned the poem Bits of Paper. And what I told you, you crumple the paper and put it in the dustbin. But did you know, children, we can do very interesting activity with this. Before throwing it in the dustbin, let us do a very nice and interesting activity. That is paper crumbling. Now here I have taken 3 colors, light green, dark green and yellow. What you have to do is crumble the paper, dip it in the color and just put it here like this. And then the dark color, Can you tell me what this is turning into? What is teacher doing? Teacher is doing a tree. Randomly you have to put the paper and give it a shape of a tree. Yes, and little down here. To give the grass effect. And once it dries up, children, you can do the stem. And then give a nice black outline. And your tree is ready. Okay, children? Bye. And surely try to do this activity, okay? Take care. Be safe.